haven't uploaded in a while. If you can hear right now, I actually have a cold if I sound nasally, but I haven't uploaded a video in a while. And this year my goal was to start uploading and just to be very real, honest, and raw with my uploading. Like literally just upload on my phone when I want to share my weight loss journey, instead of having to set up the camera and all of that. Just being clear and honest. In this video, I'm gonna call it low carb groceries, because we actually went to the low carb grocery store, which we go to once a month. One that has been on this journey, you know that it's not a straight line. You know that it has its ups and downs and bumps, but still on it, you know. And I just want to be here for people that are also on this journey. Let's get into this video. Back at the low carb store, we're getting these.
Yep.
These are amazing. They're so good. Can you show me the hearts of palm? Can I see the hearts of palm? And we're getting these butter and herb mashed hearts of palm. And this. Guys, barbecue sauce. We love that barbecue sauce. Can I get the hot chocolate?
Yeah.
And we are going to be trying this for the first time. So I'll let you guys know how good it is. As a nightcap, we're having the Nestle Zero hot chocolate, and it actually tastes really, really good. It's so delicious, you guys. You've got to get it. So good. You just gotta, we use monk fruit to sweeten it, but it's really, really good. And we got it from the low carb store, but you can also get it on Amazon. This ice cream is absolutely delicious. It's so good. It's great for low carb, keto friendly, low calorie, low sugar. It's enlightened, and they have so many different flavors, but I think this one is like the best I've ever tasted. Brownies and cookie dough, and it is sweetened with monk fruit. It is so good. Like, it doesn't even taste like it's low carb or low sugar. It's just delicious. I'm eating it and I'm like, I have to make a video. It's just so good. Like, you have to try it. It's a little expensive. Yeah, I know. I think I've eaten a good amount of it. Maybe too much. It's so good though. You have to give it a try. It's so delicious. Some of the low carb candies. We love Lily's. Guys, these are actually good. I'm gonna try. Ooh, I didn't see this one before. They have the peanut butter cup now, Rand. You gotta pull down your mask. Can't really hear you. And then I like these.
Oh, what do you have? Jolly Rancher sugar-free. I didn't even see that before.
What?
You have Jolly Rancher sugar-free.
Oh, sugar-free Jolly Ranchers. Oh, wow.
That takes me back.
I know. We should try that. And like, they have the Lifesavers. Look, I love these ones. Sugar-free.
Yeah, Werther's are awesome.
Yeah. Low carb candies. Lily's has a new chocolate. It's birthday cake, white chocolate style. Okay, and let me show you. The total carbs is 18 grams, but you have to take out erythritol and the fiber from it. So you gotta remove the 9 and the 6 to get the total carbs. You gotta get rid of the dietary fiber and the erythritol to get the actual total carbs of it. Yep. Now this is sweetened by stevia. I do not like stevia. I just don't like stevia. But for some reason, in Lily's, it tastes really good. So if you're looking for some chocolate, maybe you like some white chocolate, something different to try, it's really good. Give it a try. And I love the Lily's brand. These are so good. So it's the Jolly Rancher Zero Sugar. I'm having one right now. If you're feeling like a candy, it's so good. So now it is 15 total carbs and 15 sugar alcohols. So it's actually 0 carbs because you know that you have to take away the sugar alcohols from the carbs. But sugar alcohols will make your stomach act funny if you have too much. I would not be having too much of this candy. Serving size is 4 pieces. I wouldn't have more than the serving size. But it's so good if you're feeling like candy. Because you know when you're on this low carb journey, sugar-free journey, sometimes you feel like something else, right? Something different. This is perfect. Especially if you like Jolly Rancher. It's so good. So yeah, give it a try. This is what I'm having right now.